Hello and welcome to this screencast where I'm going to talk you through an app called Microsoft Bookings, which is available as part of Office 365. And it's primarily really useful for booking one-to-one meetings. For instance, students get in touch with you about office hours or something. But it's also a really good productivity tool, which speeds up a lot of those dialogues you might have with people around arranging meetings. So I use it quite a lot for external people to book appointments in my calendar and for me to do interviews with them for research projects and things along those lines. So just if you go into office.com and log in the normal way and then click on bookings as one of the apps, then it opens it up. At the top you have a series of dialog boxes which you can work through, and that's one way of setting it up, but probably the better way is to use the bar down the side. If you click on the very bottom one to begin with, the business name, this is originally set up for people who are maybe hairdressers or other people working in sort of businesses that they have people booking for them. But what you would want to just write in there your business name, so you just write your own name and then just press save. What I'm going to focus on is the services. So this is where you set up a meeting, and let me just show you what it looks like from the user's point of view. So let me go back to that one. So if I just open that up, just copy that. So the student or anybody who's going to use this gets a landing page that looks something like this. And then they can see on the 26th, I have got 2 slots available at 12 o'clock and at 2 o'clock. So if they click on the 12 o'clock one, and then they would write in their name, their email address, and then any other details in there. And then they click on, and then they can book directly a meeting with you. And what that will do is that will send them and you a calendar invite, and then it's booked out on your calendar, and then that means that you know that that booking's set up, and then that slot will not be available for anybody else. So once you've done that, then so go on to the bookings page and click on staff, and that will take you to your own page. The first thing to do then is make sure that you've got your calendar fully up to date and that you know all of the slots are available or not available on that, and then click on this button for events. So what that does is it makes sure that you've got synced between Microsoft Bookings and your own calendar, and it shapes then what is available for other people to book the slots. And then you can click on this as well. So you've got standard business hours, which is 8 till 5, or you can customize those as well around your own commitments and availabilities. Once you've done that, so let's make that, say we want to start that just after 9, and then we save. Then the next page you want to work on then is your services. So this is then the different types of events that you might have available. So for instance, drop-in sessions for different modules, and you might make yourself available at different times. How to set up one of those. If you see at the top it says add a service, so you click on that. So the service I'm going to do is an office hour, and this is for 10-minute consultations. So I'm then saying that the duration of any of these interactions will be 10 minutes. So people can book a 10-minute slot with me. You can scroll down through these. You can add in an email reminder. So I'm saying that 1 hour before they send an email, so the customer would be our students there, and the reminder is just to say to remind you we have a meeting in hour. So you can save that, and then you go through. So this, you've got a scheduling policy there. I've adjusted up there, but you can change the increments of how long a meeting is, and then the lead time. So how much in advance did the person have to book it? So they could book it straight away in that slot, or up to 24 hours. For online meetings, I'm happy for it to be, say, 1 hour in advance. So then if you scroll down, then you're saying, okay, what is the availability? So my office hour is between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock on a Thursday. And then you set that up that way, and that's reoccurring. You can create, to make it a little more complicated, within different date periods. Then you've got, you can set them up specifically that way as well, and then you save it. Once you've done that, if you go up to the top, you can see what that looks like. You can copy the URL, open that up. This is what the student would receive, office hour, and then they can click on and they can say, yep, I want 10 minutes past 2, and then they fill in those details and then they book it. If you're happy with that, then you go into the booking page, which is the top, and then you can, once it's set up, you can publish it, you can embed that, you can connect it to different things. Obviously, you're not going to do it Facebook, but that's what different settings have, and you can make some further adjustments to that. So this is a way of setting up and arranging just 10-minute slots, or you can make them any length that